Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Mood. Today we are the 25th of April 2022. We are going to analyze Bitcoin and also Near protocol in this video. But also if you stay a little bit longer, we are going to take some time to see exactly what's going on with Bitcoin and if we can still expect for a bull market to reverse and keep us on track for records in 2022, because right now many people are bored and this market seems really doomed. And you know that's not my point of view, but we really need to get the proper data together. So guys, let's go and let's have this free analysis. It's free, so stay with us really and subscribe to the Crypto Mood. Leave some likes and do whatever you do on YouTube, alright? I hope you're discovering the channel right now and that I make you want to stick around. So let's get into it. Alright, so for a start, we are going back to our GMT analysis, guys, and we did an analysis on the 1 hour Renko chart. And yesterday I was telling you that we would be having some choppy side action right here around this level, which we are. So this is still good, still going on. Let's go back to the 4 hour and go to Bitcoin. That is our most interesting asset right now that everybody wants to know if we are in a bear or bull market. We are going to dig that. So we've been doing that move. We've been high as 42,267, not higher. I was expecting that we would touch this resistance level at 42,600 before. We've been then descending here following that trend line I wrote down here. What's happening now? So I'm just going to redraw this and remove it for now. From here, guys, what I'm thinking, if we look at this ranging Shandemo, this VIX is quite bullish, this MACD is quite bullish, the RSI is however crossing this trend line, but it did cross it a few ways, so maybe there is something I missed. Overall it seems bullish also, so I would expect, and if we look at the S&P very shortly, even on the S&P we are soon touching this trend line, we are touching here. So guys, thank you for your patience. We need to watch a few charts before we take any kind of decision. And if you don't have the patience to look at a few charts, maybe you shouldn't be trading right now. So guys, here we are. I really believe we are soon bouncing back to 4,700. And from here, we'll see what we are doing. So that's our next level for Bitcoin. Now let's have a look at Near. Near has been trending on the downside also since a while. Many people were strongly betting on Near as to be the next Luna, the next parabolic move, and it's totally possible. But right now we've been on the lower side. We have a few other levels right here to watch. All right, we are very near this one, very near this one. So the bounce is also coming very soon. There is still a little bit of downtrend here, and downtrend here. I would expect Near to go a little bit down here, touch the moving average at $30, and then from here we should see some bouncing action, and probably to these levels we have also a resistance line here, so we should be able to bounce back to $16, guys, and that could be a potential move of 19% if you want to trade that. So guys, now it's the moment that you have to stick in the video. We passed the 3 minutes of span attention of the middle person watching YouTube, so that's it. You crossed the line. Now you should stay with me and subscribe to the channel. Also join us on Telegram. Here you have the Telegram group where we chat. You can follow me on Twitter, and also, yes, of course, please consider subscribing to the channel. I do these updates on a daily basis. If you're not interested into these altcoins, you will be interested in the Bitcoin analysis. So we are going back to Bitcoin, and I'm taking a more large chart that has more data, and we are still staying on the Renko chart. I'm going to remove some of my past drawings here. All right, so let's go on the daily, where we have more data, but strangely the Renko doesn't show all the data, which is really odd. Oh no, maybe it's the chart that is wrong. So we are going to pick another one. All right, so let me remove everything, and we are going back then in the Renko. Hopefully I will get more data, and not really. Fuck. Oh no, Renko is really not wanting to show more than that. So let me go back again to the candles. Now, do I get the data? Yes, thank you. So at this point, we want the weekly, where we have all our whole Bitcoin charts since 2011 with our bull markets. And yeah, that's where we should be able to figure out more things. So we are going to make an analysis from here. So let's see on the if I can get a Renko. Yeah, Renko doesn't want on such a big scale. Very strange. All right, so it's gonna be a normal chart, and that's fine. There is enough data here to make a normal chart. So we are right now on a very important support line. I'm gonna do it even larger here, and you can see our lowest price here would be 35,800, and really let's hope we're not going there. We have some trend lines here on the RSI that makes sense. So right here and right here. Of course, it's less exciting, guys, because we have to do it together, and I'm discovering the monthly, the weekly with you right now. So we have another level right here. Remember the old good times when we were in an obvious bull market. It's this market, very few people are able to tell you right now where we are at, but what's certain is that it's absolutely boring. So the Chandemont here is totally ranging. The VIX is quite extended. The MACD is totally ranging on the lower side. The RSI is quite bullish. Just is not touching back this trend line here. It could touch it back. So can we go low as 35,500? Yes. And that sucks. I absolutely agree on that. But we need to keep the big picture in. So I remember back in 2018, I had some really bad positions that were really going down, and I had so many regrets on it because the market was really like it is now, very boring. And then suddenly in a few weeks, it doubled and tripled. So that's why at some point, just stay in, just inject money in the safest asset you can. And normally you shouldn't regret it. So I think at this point we should be able to bounce around 50K. I really think so. And that would take us to this level here on the RSI. And we even have a level right here, higher. So a bounce here around 50K and then to 59. It's not something impossible. I mean, the bullish tools we have here are the RSI is obviously bullish, the VIX is obviously bullish, and the MACD is obviously bullish. Only the Chandemont shows us a ranging side action. So overall, it's not bad to stay in this. It's not crazy, it's not bad. Definitely. And that's what I'm figuring out with you guys right now, because sometimes I have my own doubts. I'm just staying away from the charts and I'm like, am I doing a big mistake here? Should I get out of this? And yeah, this analysis shows me that it is absolutely fine. Doge is pumping because of Elon Musk's decision to buy Twitter, and is definitely insisting on it. So we could see some nice action around Doge. But so let's go back on the Renko. as we are together. We just have a quick look at it. Yeah, it's definitely stuck here around this price, so I wouldn't enter a position right now. Maybe history will tell me wrong when we watch this video in a few years, but this moving average here are showing some sign of crossing in the coming future around the end of May. So that was a long video. Thank you so much for watching it until the end. And guys, it's not easy to be in this market, to stay in when everything is showing you that nobody has any idea where we are going right now. Nobody. Well, I show you decent proof that Bitcoin is not doomed right now, not today. Just it's painful when you're down. I'm absolutely down like you guys on many cryptos right now, on many of my investments, around 40%, and it sucks. But I'm staying in because I don't think we are going to 29 or this kind of crazy prices that people predict right now. Thank you so much for staying all that long. I'm talking too much. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. I'm doing my thumbnail. I might be becoming Shiva. I have another arm behind. Wait, can I do a funny thumbnail like that? Oh, that's weird. The recognition, the hand recognition. Thumbnail! Alright, thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.